If you're watching this video, give it a like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our piano tutorials. Today we're talking about a really common progression in the key of C, the 1, 5, 6, 4. A little bit of a dance here, but super common in pop music. We'll start off on the first scale degree, C in C major, and make that a major chord, C, E, G, for Roman numeral 1. The fifth chord, built off the fifth scale degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is also going to be major. That's G major, G, B, D, for the 5 chord. The 6th chord is right next door, but it's going to be minor. Let's spell that A, C, E, built off the 6th scale degree, A, but it's lowercase Roman numerals, so we're using a minor chord, A, C, E. And then it's going to end on a 4 chord. Let's go back to the 4th scale degree, that's F, right? C, D, E, F, 1, 2, 3, 4. F major for this capital Roman numeral 4, F, A, C. In one hand, that chord progression could go like this, 2, 3, 4. Start on C, to the 5, to the 6, to that 4 chord. In two hands, rocking that out, starting on the C, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. C, 1 chord, G, 5 chord, A minor, F. Try that out again, think of the possibilities, and then play on to our other chord progression videos.